Want to kill me like a man? Or you want to kill me like a sheep?
Somebody's dying.
So, what's it going to be? Man or sheep?
You want to man up? I'll man you up.
You must want to hurt me bad.
I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm gonna take your life.